I'm Swati, Project Coordinator.
And I'm Esther, the Community Coordinator, and we're with WellHome. We hope you're keeping well and enjoying the sunshine.
Firstly, thank you so much for hosting our census at your home and for being patient while waiting for the report.
As scientists are now very busy analysing and interpreting your air quality data, we've created a special behind the scenes video of what they get up to so that your whole family can see a bit of the science.
Bring the kids so you all can watch.
So we're just going to find Professor Matt Fisher. Hello.
Hi Esther, lovely to see you. So, hello everyone, I'm Matt Fisher and I'm responsible for looking at the moulds in your homes. Okay, so you're all familiar with these Petri dishes. They've been cluttering up your shelves, haven't they, for 4 weeks. What happens after those 4 weeks? We put the lids back on and then bring them back to these wonderful labs here in Imperial College. Right, and then they go over to Sam. So Sam is here and he's in a hood. And Sam, why don't you just quickly say what you're doing?
So we're just at the moment taking any fungal spores from the plates off. I'm going to extract the DNA from this liquid so we can then find out what different fungi are in the home and different abundances that are there, the different moulds, and whether that's damaging to health or not.
Yeah, exactly. I think Sam said it really. Have you got a lot of mould in your home and is it a problem, or are you absolutely fine? I'm sure that most of your homes are going to be absolutely fine. We're quite well on our way to having done this science, and yeah, you'll be hearing from us soon.
Hi everyone, we're here in the lab putting the instruments together for the Priority Home campaigns. So this instrument has just come back from servicing. It's been all the way over to Germany and back, just to make sure it's working correctly before we take it back into the homes. So we're going to be measuring PM components, so we're measuring size fractions from very, very small particles that will be given off by cooking or wood burning or come indoors from traffic, and nitrogen dioxide as well, again from traffic, perhaps also from cooking if you've got a gas stove. So we're just making sure everything's all right before we start our campaigns next week. Thanks.
Hi there, I'm Dr. Leon Barron and I lead a team of chemists here in the laboratory. We're really interested in understanding pollution in our air, in our water and in our soil.
Hi, I'm Shane Fitzgerald and I'm part of the chemical analysis team working on the WellHome project. And you might recognise these little devices here. And over a 28-day period of leaving these in your home, we can get a good chemical snapshot of the molecular environment inside your homes.
Now I'm super excited to go and visit Joseph, who's in the instrument room. And Joseph is our microplastic expert. Hi Joseph.
Hello, Esther.
Can you tell me a bit about what you're doing here?
Yes, of course I can. Essentially what we're doing is we're screening your airborne samples for the presence of chemicals. And the way that we do that is by using this shiny piece of kit here.
It's massive.
Yeah. So what happens is essentially this robotic arm will collect a PM sample, so a short, small hole punch from one of your filters. It will place it in the inlet here, heat it up, separate the chemicals out based on their temperature profile, and then detect it using our mass spec. Now that's just a really simplified version of essentially what you get on screen here. So the output are these beautiful images on screen, which when looked in a 3D profile, every single peak that you see on screen here is an individual chemical. And we report that to toxicologists.
And why is that important?
It's important because it tells us what you're exposed to and how much you're exposed to on a day-to-day basis. And with that information, we go to our toxicologists, who then will tell us essentially what that means for our health.
Thank you.
So we're on the 11th floor of our labs and we can see that Wembley is in the distance, and I'm here again with Matt.
Yes, so what we've done now is we've left Sam and taken the samples that he was working with in the hood that he spoke to you about, and we bring them over here to our magic mould analysing machine. It's called a qPCR machine. And an arm comes out of this machine and we load all those samples in, they go out, they go inside, it then does a lot of running, and what we show here on this computer screen is readouts on how many fungal spores are in those particular samples. So this is where your data comes out and then gets packaged with all the other data coming from across WellHomes, the microplastics, the chemicals, everything that we've been collecting, and it goes into that big data analysis that then eventually will get presented to you.
As you can see, the team are involved in groundbreaking scientific processes which take time to ensure that we really do end up with rigorous, high quality results.
Right now we are implementing the feedback from families on the second report and hope to have it ready for you early this summer.
We really hope that you know that you are an extremely valuable and essential part of this research so that we can properly understand air pollution in the diversity of our homes in West London and what we can do about it. Thank you.